Alright YouTube, alright, just another update video on the gas tank. I've got it all bonded up, I've done all the spot putty on it, got all the spots out I can as possible. I now primered it. I've used this, found this stuff that's really good. I found like bought a whole case of it like a couple of years ago, but it's real thick primer and it goes on real heavy and it's a great filler primer. Takes about, well, for as thick as I lay it on, I let it sit for about 45 minutes. And it's really good, and I hope I can get more of it because that's my last can. But it fills in a lot of the imperfections, and then I've just been blocking it. So I think I've been blocking it with, what is this, 120. Let me see here. That's not telling me anything. Here's some more of it over here. Yeah, it's a 120 grit paper. So I've been blocking it with that. I need to get a, I don't have anything finer. I did, I just don't know where it's at, so I'm still looking for it, but that's the way it's looking right now. So let me get it up on here and take a look at it. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm actually surprisingly happy with it for not trying to be too perfect with it, but it's coming out pretty good. Yeah, and the edges are coming out there. The edges are coming out pretty good. I had to, like I said, fix a ton of the water weld stuff I put on here because it just came up. I didn't mix it right, but I got it in there, let it sit. It hardened up like it was supposed to. It didn't stay soft. So anyways, it's back over here. So I've just been sitting here just blocking it, sanding it, and then I'm about ready to take it out, and I'm going to primer it again just with another primer, not such a high fill primer. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I'm going to be painting the whole tank. My paint scheme so far, I think, is I'm going to paint the color, the tank, of course, this copper, hammered copper, just like the bike. And then I think I'm going to mask this off all the way around here, down here, all the way around here, just so this top portion here. And I'm going to do matte black, and to keep that kind of the flow of that going. So we'll see how it goes. And then, like I said, I'm still going to get my things built over here, and then for my stickers, whatever I'm going to do on the stickers. So it's coming out pretty good. So I got the upholstered seat. It's just a quick down and dirty type of upholstery job. Got the handlebars on. The paint can said matte black, but it came out a little bit shinier than matte. But then again, that's a matte black, and it's kind of just as shiny. These are my pillow blocks for the jack shaft. They were blue. I'm just painting them black. And yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Just trying to paint up all the little things I can right now. And I'm thinking about the motor here. Let me get it spun around. I got this big old cover over here that says Honda. And I don't really want to take the time to build something. To like recreate something over this, because this is fine. But what I'm thinking about doing is just painting that. I hate painting plastic, and I hate having anything by the leg, because it always gets scratched up. But I don't like this cover. I need to do something different. So I was trying to figure it out. This is also my kill switch here, and eventually going to do something with all this. Right now I'm going to leave all this alone, but I got to open the whole motor up and take the governor out, maybe, and then yeah, I got to relocate this switch, so if it has a kill switch, maybe up on the handlebar or something. But yeah, that's just kind of what I'm thinking right now. We'll just leave it like this. I mean, if I got to shut it down, I'll just go like that. That's where we're at. just still standing on this gas tank. It's come a long way. I like it. So, yep. Let me throw my cap on here, see what this looks like. I gotta get this thing all fixed up. I really beat the hell out of it trying to build what I was looking for. So, but, yep. I do body work on the gas cap. So, there we go. Yep. Anyways, that's what's going on right now. That's the update on the gas tank situation. I feel like I've done a lot this weekend, but then again, I feel like I haven't done much. So it's just kind of, there we go. Anyways, it's just, I forget how time consuming a little bit of body work can be. Plus, I don't do it all the time. So, but I like the way it's coming out. I'm taking a little bit more time on it than I wanted to, because I'm kind of just making it nicer than I wanted to. So, I feel like I'm building another rat rod. Didn't want to make it that nice. I ended up making it pretty damn nice. So, alright. That's it for now. It's coming along. Looks good. I like it. We'll see what's next. Later, tubers.